Hello viewers, we have a question that borders on projectile motion and it goes as follows. A shooter wants to fire a bullet in such a way that its horizontal range is equal to 3 times its maximum height. At what angle should he fire the bullet to achieve this? Alright, to do this, first off, before we start getting the data from the question, R range is u square sine 2 theta over g, while maximum height h max is equal to u square sine square theta over 2g. Okay, these are the formula you should recall for this. So let's begin to interpret the question one at a time. So here they said that that its horizontal range, that is R, is 3 times the maximum height, 3h max, or I can simply call it h. Okay, so at what angle? So we're looking for theta. All right, to do this, let's begin to interpret. So this means that u square sine 2 theta over g is equal to 3 times 3u square sine square theta over 2g. So this is what they've given us. So if this is what they've given us, let's try to even simplify this. U square cancels u square, g cancels g. I think it is simpler now. So if we cross multiply, we'll have that 2 sine 2 theta is equal to 3 3 sine square theta over 2. Oh, sorry, I just cross multiplied. Sorry for that. Times 1. So if that is the case, so if we move on from here, in trig identity, sine 2 theta is sine theta cos theta. All right, it will be 2 times 2 sine theta cos theta equals, okay, let me bring it here, equals 3 sine square theta. All right, so if I simplify this to be 4 sine theta cos theta equals 3 sine square theta. So at this point, we'll divide across using sine theta to simplify this. So this will be divided by sine theta divided by sine theta. So this cancels this. So we're left with 4 cos theta is equal to, this will cancel the square, 3 equal to 3 sine theta. Okay, so another trig identity here tells us that sine theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, so if that is the case, we'll have it that sine theta over cos theta, I've taken the cos over this way, so I'll bring it here to be equal to 4 over 3. Okay, so which will leave us with tan theta equals 4 over 3. So I'll be rubbing off the first part so that we'll finish off our solution. So if I rub this first part of the board off, we have it that theta finally is tan inverse of 4 over 3, which will leave us with 53 degrees to the nearest whole number, to the nearest degree. Thank you for watching. So our answer is obviously option B. Thank you for watching once again. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.